In today's video, I'm going to show you how to count values without using formulas here in Google Sheets. So in my example raw dataset right here, I have a list of fruits that were sold in a day for a fruit shop, and I want to know how many quantities per product or per fruit were sold. And I'm going to show you how to do that with a formula and without formulas, and tell me which one is better. So first, what we're going to do is to find out how many unique fruits are actually in this list. We're going to do that with a function called unique. So it will be able to provide us how many unique values are in this list right here. So that's our range. Select your range. We have selected from this part to this part without the title. And then we're going to press enter. Now we have the unique values or the unique fruits that are found on our list right here. So we have oranges, bananas, apples, pears, and watermelons. So now we found all the unique values found on our list. Now time to count how many of these fruits are actually sold and are listed on our data set on the left. So this time we're going to use a function called COUNTIF. So COUNTIF right here. Select your range again, so you can do that by selecting the first cell, pressing Ctrl, Shift, and down key on your keyboard. There you have it. And then comma, our criterion would be this fruits right here, and then press enter. And here we have our suggested autofill, which I think is the correct one, so let's accept it. And there you have it. So that's how we do it with our formulas. We determine the unique values first right here. Then we determine the count of each unique value on our list. Now, without the formulas, we can easily do this by just, again, selecting that range. You can press Ctrl A on your keyboard, or you can just select it by just going down like so. Then go to Insert on the menu bar and select Chart. So here, the suggested chart for us would be a pie chart, which would only just give us a percentage of how many were sold for each fruit. But this is not what we need. Although the pie chart does give us the unique values or the different type of fruits that are found, it doesn't really give us the exact number that we need, which are the numbers right here. The count of each fruit sold in our list right here. So what we're going to do is to change this chart by going to our chart editor on the right and selecting a different chart type, which is our bar chart right here. So if you click on that, there we have it. Again, it will still give us the unique values that we need. Although we have these bar lines that would tell us that Apple has the most sold ones, it doesn't give us the exact number. What we can do to add the numbers, to add the actual count of fruits that were sold, would be to go to Customize, select Series, and at the bottom of that option, we have Data Labels. So if you click on that, there you have it. It will give you the number of fruits that were sold in that list right there. So with this option, we don't need to use the formulas unique to find out what are those unique values and the number of values that are counted for each category or for each fruit. We can easily do that with this simple bar chart right here. And there you have it. So that's how to count your values without using formulas here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.